Most people assume getting a local SIM in Algeria is the only way to stay connected, but the surprising truth is that eSIMs make it faster and easier, especially for travelers. Today, I'm sharing my hands-on experience testing different eSIMs in Algeria. I tried multiple providers including Airlo, Halfly, and local Algerian eSIMs. Most people get this wrong by assuming all eSIMs have the same coverage. In reality, network reliability and data speed vary depending on the provider and location. I found that Airlo's Algerian eSIM worked well in major cities like Algiers and Oran, but in rural areas, coverage dropped slightly. Halafly offered unlimited plans with stable speed, but at a higher price. You wouldn't believe what happens next. Activating an eSIM took less than 5 minutes. I scanned the QR code, installed the profile, and was online immediately. No SIM swapping, no waiting in stores. It's especially convenient if you arrive late at the airport or just want temporary service for travel. The surprising truth is that eSIMs let you manage multiple numbers on the same phone. For example, I kept my home number active while using the Algerian eSIM for local data, which is impossible with traditional SIM cards. This is perfect for travelers who want seamless connectivity. Some considerations: check compatibility with your phone, and know that unlimited data plans may throttle speed after a threshold. Pricing varies, so choose based on your data needs and length of stay. In conclusion, for anyone traveling to Algeria and needing fast, flexible, and reliable mobile service, eSIMs are a superior option over traditional SIMs. Subscribe for more honest travel and mobile connectivity reviews before choosing your eSIM.